Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are trying all time to download the operating system of Windows, but it's too hard. You are trying to download maybe some previous version of operating system of Windows, but it's not easy to download directly in the official site. Let me show you one solution to make it the downloading of operating system of Windows very simple, very easily and very secure. In that site, you can just come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 click, your operating system will be in your computer. If you want maybe the supported version Windows 11 or Windows 10 of the previous version, all is available in this site. Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows XP, all is available in this site. You can just come, you click 1, 2, 3, 4, and your operating system will be with you. And then all the operating system available in this site provided directly by Microsoft official site. And then the verification, even the system installed in my computer, I just downloaded it in. If you are ready to know how to do it, let's watch this video together. During the video, I will share the link of this site with you. You can watch the video, you will see the link during this video. And then when we reach in the site, we can go just there to click on get my ISO. We click just there and select my family. Me, I want the Windows family, Windows operating system. I just click on Windows. And then the operating system is there. You can select your operating system you want. If you want Windows 11, Windows 10, and the previous version like Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, any version you want, you can click on it. It's the same processor of all of them. I will just select Windows 11, and then there are three versions still have update, and then 2 version no update again. I will just it's possible for me to download it there easily and simple. I will select the last version available in this site when I'm doing this video, but this site doing the update all time. Maybe when we watching this video, is not this version will be the last version. I will just click on it. 24-2 is the last version available of Windows 11. I will select the builder. This builder is 26 Android 70 and 42. I will just click on it, and then I will select the edition I want. I want the multi edition. In the multi edition, you are home and all of them is there. I will just select the multi edition, and then I will select my language. I will select English of Unix United States English. And then I will select the architecture. Some versions are available in the 2 architecture, like 64 byte or 32 byte. I will select 64 byte. And then the operating system. All the information about this system is available now. Is available there. It's just there. You can maybe verify if the system you want to download just now is the same like available the Microsoft site directly. I will show you how to verify it after. If you will see all this information, this is the site. This is the SHA 256, and then you can just click on it there. I'm just click there, and then the download of my operating system is downloaded directly, quickly and simple. No any version. Maybe if I want the previous version, I will just come there. Maybe I will select Windows 8.1. I will select the builder, update 3, the last update, the multi edition. I will select my language. It's still the same thing for all of them, English. And then you see there are 2 architecture available. Well, if you want to 32 byte or 64 byte, you can download it here, simple, quickly and very secure. I just click on it, and then I will see there the site, the SHA1, all the information is available. If I click there, my download will start quickly, very simple, very fast. No matter to waste the time of any site. If I want maybe the Windows 10 version, I will click on Windows 10. The supported version is there. This is the last version of Windows 10 available in this site. I will just maybe click on it. I will select the builder. I will select the multi edition. I will select my language. Any language is there. There are 38 language available. If any version, any language you want, you can just click on it and download it. United English, United States. I will select my architecture. I already select it, and then I saw the site, the SHA is there, all the information about this system is there. If I want to download it, I will just click on it. And download it will be started quickly, simple, and very secure. If I want the previous version of Windows 10, I will just come down and select maybe this version, this build, multi edition. I will select my language, English, maybe this version, this architecture, all the information about this system is there. If I want it, I just click on it. The site I just show you now, no license available in this site. After downloading your operating system, you can go to Microsoft official site to buy your license. And then let me show you the second site where I will verify like all the version I show you now is the good version, and then it provided directly by Microsoft. In this site of provided by Microsoft, we see down there all right reserved Microsoft Corporation, and this is the left of file by Microsoft. Now all the information available there is come directly by Microsoft, and then we come directly for file list. In this side, I just want to show you like the version we downloaded is the good version. And then in the file list, we go to operating system. In the operating system, we go down, we find maybe Windows 11 is down, all the version is there. Windows 10, any version you want to verify the site, all this information about the site, you can just come there and see it. Windows 11, the version is 24H2, 24H2, which builder we want. The build is 2600, and then is this build we want, is this one we want, then we just click on it. It's the same builder there too. Now I will just click on it, and then I will select my language. In this site, it's not possible to download now, but to verify if the operating system you download and this operating system is the same, no matter of modification on it, is very secure of all of them. Now I will go now in okay, we select English in the site, operating system, this site English, and then we will select this one. You see, this is for some card byte. Then we select customer edition version. We just click on it, and then we come back in the site. You see the site is how much there, 5.42. we come there and see the side 5.42 is the same side. We come back in the side, we see the SHA 256 is this one. Let me copy this and drop in the screen. You will see, and we make the comparison of all of them. See, is the same one, this version available in the site. Just I show you to download easily all your version, and the site where Microsoft give us to verify if all the operating system is good is the same SHA we use. I just show you this site to show you like all the version we download in this site is provided directly by Microsoft. Maybe we can just use other version, maybe Windows 10. Let me use the previous version, maybe this version, this one, because we already download it. Okay, let me come back in the site, operating system, Windows 10. Let me see, this is 70, 30 and 4. Okay, well, let me screenshot. We just screenshot it there, we keep it there and come back there. Now we make it easily. Okay, which one is it? Okay, is this one, is this one. You see, it's the same version. You just click on it. We select our language. Our language was English, and then I will select the customer version. Now I will just select this one. This one. We just select this one. I will click on it, and then the file is how much there? 4.99. I will come back in my site. We select on it. Multi edition. I will select English. This one. 5.99. You see, 5.99. I will select the shower. The shower on the side is that one. Is that one. You can see it. And we will come in this side. The shower. The shower. See it. Is the same one. In the same one. All the version available in this site is just provided directly by Microsoft site. You can just download it and install in your computer easily. Simple and very secure. If you want the license of if you want the license, you can go on the Microsoft site, Microsoft directly, and then you can buy your license there. The site I show you is just to download all the ISO you want. If you like this video, you can just like and share and subscribe. I'm very happy. I was very happy to show you this method to download all your version. I know my English is not very okay, but I already tried it to explain to you how to download easily all your operating system of Windows. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to help me to maybe perfectionate all my video. If you have any comment, you can just drop it. I'm very happy to make this video for all of us. Thank you. Goodbye.